The reason for this guy being backwards is because water goes down. So if you have it the other way, a couple of things, right? Water that might be a dust or two or three that I might not have cleared out perfectly with my cleaner, you know, will come on down into the pattern, and I hate that. I want this to look as clean, really nice as possible. Second of all, if you are going to do a two-stage, this I'm going to do two-stage because a lot of people don't like me to disassemble or whatever. You know, they want me to do a two-stage regardless whether the seal is removable or all that kind of stuff. So let me go ahead and illustrate this two-stage. And this cart and glass is built wonderfully for that type of situation. And I'm still not going to do all that thing that I've seen in videos. After you do everything great, people do this on film, and it really, you know, makes me cringe and stuff. But anyway, that's a different deal. So on this one, two-stage, we're still using the Tint Slime Ultra. I mean, the testing for me goes on forever and ever. I wanted to, you know, test it on every vehicle. So, there it is. Always use enough slip. That way there's no problem with it on a bald spot here or there, and it'll stick to the glass, and it'll give you a, you know, kind of a funny and white smear, you know. There it goes. Okay, there it is. Put this guy there. Okay. Oh man. There it is. Okay, let's set this guy where it goes as micro as possible. Lumar pattern. They really nice job with this Toyota Rav. Really on point. Okay. You want to stop about there. You don't want to disturb none of this stuff because it'll bring a lot of shit. Perhaps, you know, doing up or down. I hate it, creasing, all the contaminants. I hate all that. So anyway, just there. Cure that. Any of these of your choice with a slip tape, of course. That way you don't scratch film, but you can press it as hard as you need to. No worries about sticking on film or creasing your film. There it is. There it is. There it goes. It's a very basic shank. It is metallic, bent. That way I can do the thing on my gasket on the bottom. Okay, one of the things that I do, I clean out the bottom just to make sure there's no lint particles that went from that gasket here on when I rolled them up, and I'm sure it did. So I like to press them down like that. Press them down. Then just go ahead and walk it down with a little bit of water. I don't like to drench the fuck out of my installs at all. Okay. Get your thing, raise it up. It's a trick. Raise it up like that. Do that number. Raise it up from all the way over here if you like. And do your thing. There you go. Raise it up. And it's done all the way to the corner. There you go. Nice and stuck. Good. A bit of water. If you believe there might be a little finger, go ahead and do your pulls this way. And down. Okay. And then always, of course, that way. Don't do it down because you might get a finger and stuff. Do it that way. It's just a better distribution process. All the way across. pop it open like this and then swipe across. Same there, same here. Pop it open from here, swipe that way. Down, evenly distribute it. All the water it's there. Get out of there. And we're pretty much done. Plastic panels, not a worry. If it was suede or leather, I would do something else to cover it. All good. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. GoPro, stop recording.